In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image full width in Elementor. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, your image stretches seamlessly across your web page, giving it that polished and professional look. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on Pages. This will take you to a list of all the pages you currently have set up on your website. Choose the page where you want to make an image full width and click Edit with Elementor. This action will open up your page in the Elementor Page Builder. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, scroll down or navigate to the section of the page where the image you want to adjust is located. Once you identify the correct section, hover over it, and you should see a blue border with several icons. Look for the column settings icon, which looks like a square with 6 little dots, and click on it to open the column settings pane on the left side. In the column settings, click on the Layout tab. Here, you will see several options related to the size and positioning of your content within the column. You'll want to set the column width to 100. Doing this will stretch the column that contains your image to its full available width within the section. After adjusting the column width, navigate to the Style tab where you can set the image's alignment. Ensure that the image is set to Cover under the Image Layout option. This setting ensures that your image covers the entire column space, avoiding any unwanted margins or padding that might prevent it from stretching edge to edge. Next, take a look at the section settings by clicking the section handle right above the column settings. In the section settings, go to the Layout tab and ensure that the content width is set to Full Width. This setting will allow the image to not just stretch within the column but also across the entire section of the page. Finally, if everything looks good, make sure you've previewed your changes. Click the eye icon at the bottom of the screen to ensure the image appears correctly on different devices. If everything looks consistent and to your liking, make sure to hit that Update button at the bottom to save all your changes. And there you have it. Your image is now full width in Elementor, creating a seamless and visually appealing presentation on your web page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.